A little over a decade ago, designing user interfaces was a disorganized process. Building an app often felt like forcing incompatible pieces together. Designers were hacking together websites and mobile apps using software like Photoshop, which was originally built for photo editing and print. Photoshop utilized a pixel-based engine. At the 2015 Adobe Max conference, they unveiled Project Comet, a tool designed specifically for interactive design. This evolved into Adobe XD, a platform offering a streamlined workspace built strictly for user experiences. It launched with the advantage of the Creative Cloud ecosystem, sitting directly alongside the traditional tools designers already used every day. But even with that corporate backing and a reputation for speed, many designers now consider Adobe XD a dead platform. How did the software that helped modernize UI design end up quietly placed on life support? For solo designers, early Adobe XD felt like a massive step forward in efficiency. Features like the repeat grid allowed you to grab a single card and instantly duplicate and space elements without manual copying. The most significant addition for motion was auto-animate. This diagram shows a circle on one artboard and a second where it's larger and shifted right. By ensuring both layers share the exact same name, XD automatically calculates the changes, creating a smooth transition. Designers used this simple logic, combined with masks and staggered timing, to build complex, realistic prototypes that looked like working products. Adobe XD perfected the traditional desktop workflow, giving individual designers the unprecedented power to build fully functioning prototypes entirely offline. While XD focused on the standalone experience, the tech industry was shifting toward remote, distributed teams. A competitor named Figma grew rapidly by moving the design process out of the desktop and into the browser. Because it was web-based, Figma allowed multiple designers to work inside the same file at the same time, seeing each other's changes live. Adobe later attempted a massive buyout of Figma to bridge this gap, but the deal was eventually blocked by regulators. Following the failed acquisition, Adobe stopped new development on XD, placing it into official maintenance mode. In maintenance mode, the software remains functional but stagnant. It receives no major new features, and its community of third-party plugins is steadily shrinking. XD reached a ceiling because its desktop-first architecture could not match the simultaneous collaboration that web-based platforms provide for modern teams. For designers entering the field today, the choice of where to invest their time is a matter of practical utility. Adobe XD is still used to maintain legacy enterprise projects or in environments that require high security and offline access. For beginners, its clean interface remains a fast, lightweight sandbox for learning the basics of design logic. However, Figma has become the baseline requirement for the professional design market. If you scan current job listings for startups or global agencies, it is the primary software employers are hiring for. Modern tech workflows rely on the collaborative ecosystem Figma provides, making it the tool you must know to work on distributed teams. Figma may be the current industry leader, but Adobe XD, alongside pioneers like Sketch, played a vital role in building the vector-based prototyping logic that defines how we design today.